here. So I think the blue one's a little bit less intense. I did the tube over here, and then they have the 6 and the 7 yellow one. Both the kids did the 7. They have one playground over there. It looks like it's off. See, that playground looks like it's not working right now. Maybe? And then over here, the wave pool just started moving again. So it is a hot day, it's a busy day. Then, oh God. Oh my God. Oh God. Oh God. And he wants to be brave like his brother. 2.5 years. Oh Lord. Oh, it's hot. Oh God. Oh my God. Okay, so here's the Taboo Tower, and let's see, Jackson, you did that yellow one.
Yeah.
And Austin, you did the yellow one, right? On the Taboo Tower, and Mommy did the tube. So now we're getting our shoes on, and we're moving on to the next one.
Yeah.
What one? Do you remember what this one was called?
No.
Austin, I'm just gonna look to see what this one's called, okay?
Bonzini pipe.
Bonsai pipelines. So we just did the bonsai pipelines.
And black snake.
So Jackson did the black one and Austin and I did the blue one. So, and then now, oh, blue one and red one. Yeah, Jackson did the red one. Austin and I did the blue one. And then now we're gonna go get some inner tubes and we're gonna do this one right here, but you do have to come up on the back side. So we just passed the inner tubes and the single one to rent for the day is 18 and the double is 25. They do have life vests available. They are checking the wave pool right now. I don't know why. They just are.
What are we doing next?
So now we're moving over here. We're gonna see if we can do
The tube.
these tubes. You need to have inner tubes for them. For the rides that need inner tubes, they do supply them for you, but I don't know if you rent them, if you can cut the line. So I'm curious about that too. So we're gonna head boa constrictor and sidewinder. Okay.
The boat.
So the boa constrictor is the one that I think Austin and I are gonna do. Right, Austin?
Yeah. Mom's gonna do the constrictor.
The boa constrictor. That one's a little bit less curly Q.
That's going on
All right, Jackson's about to go. There he goes.
Oh, yeah, go, we're locked in for this.
Yeah. All right, do you think Mommy should do the sidewinder, Austin? Oh, Lordy.
Let's go.
No, it's so dark. It's so dark. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's sunlight. I know I'm gonna get soaked. Oh no.
actually a lot of fun.
Hey, Mom, let's go.
Hold on. Let's get our
Hey,
shoes.
Mom, can I tell you what I was like?
What were you like?
I was like, doing.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, my feet are. Are we still recording? Yes. Okay. That was a lot smoother and a lot more fun than I thought it was going to be, right?
Not smooth at all. Yeah.
Yours wasn't smooth at all?
No, it was like doing.
And I had 2 waterfalls, did you?
Yeah.
Yeah, wait.
I'm 3.
You're 3? Oh my gosh. All right, so while we were up there, I noticed the wave pool. So what it does is it starts on every 5 and it ends on the 0 and then it waits 5 minutes. So basically say it's 3 o'clock, it's not going. 3:05, it'll go until 3:10 and it'll stop until 3:15, it'll go to till 3:20. Does that make sense? So every 5 minutes, the wave pool goes on and off and on and off. And they do provide life vests for the wave pool, but they're not allowed to have the little floaties, which personally I prefer because I don't like the floaties. I feel like they're gonna drown my children. So we're gonna head to the wave pool because it was closed earlier. Now it's open. You ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Into the wave pool we go. I know. You have to be 52 inches or else they force you to wear a life vest. So poor Austin. Are you 54 or 52 is what they said. You can't go further than the black line. Okay, let's find an open spot. But I'm gonna give you a look. So Austin and Jackson went down that yellow one that kind of curves that way. I went down that gray tube. You can kind of see it go around. And then we went down these tubes right here. And then those are all without one of the little floaty inner tubes. And then we got the 2 inner tubes and we went down those. And the red one was actually really chill. I actually really, really enjoyed it. This small one was a lot more intense than I thought it was gonna be. But I guess you need to know that these are all like pitch black, except for this one that had some different waterfalls in it. So, all right, we're gonna go do something else. Lazy river time. Yeah. So something I find, because it is so hot sometimes to walk around, the best way to get around is the lazy river. Yeah. So here again to our left, we're doing, bless you. To our left there is that playground. And then we obviously, there was an entrance right by the wave pool. And now we're gonna keep walking and we're gonna go to where the little kid play area is. But it's definitely nice. Yeah, so this is kind of the back side of the playground. This is like a splash area, but that will also kind of take you to the little kid area. So the lazy river is throughout the middle of the park. Over here is another entrance exit. The kids like these slides over here. These are kind of a little bit more smaller water slides. So they usually do those. Oh, the line's not that long for those right now, guys. Jackson and Austin. The line's not as bad. And at the base of these slides, there's a pool. Just a basic pool if you want to just have the kids go to pool. So up here, you have 3 slides that need tubes. If you rent a tube, you can cut the line for weight, and that's for the tubes at the bottom. But if you need to use a tube, borrow a tube, there's a line at the bottom. So there's definitely benefits of renting a tube, because then you don't have to wait in line at the base. I would say for the one that we waited for at the base, maybe 20 minutes we waited. So for all 3 of us, remember all 3 of us have to have our own little individual inner tube. So, but then once we got up to the actual area where we're waiting to go on the water slide, like maybe 10 minutes. It was like very, very, very quick. So if you rent a tube, it's definitely gonna save you a lot of time waiting for the tubes at the bottom. All right, forgot about this part. Sometimes they have water spraying. They don't have the water spraying right now, which it's pretty hot. So we are going to get out and go to the left, or we're going to go to the playground. I hear the bucket about to fill. Peekaboo. All right, you ready to go to the playground?
Yeah.
Okay. Austin's going to take you on a tour of Splash Island and Hurricane Harbor. Woo! Go ahead.
So this is Austin, and we're about to go on a tour. Let's go. Want to go through the water? Let's go. It's kind of bumpy today. There are a couple slides. You want me to go on that one? Oh my god. That's nice. Okay. You want me to go on this one? Okay. There we go. Okay, that water's freezing today. It's summer, but the water's freezing. And next we're gonna go on this slide. the tube slides. So we're going up. So here is another big slide. This is what it looks like. We have to wait. Next is mine. Always hold on to the wheel. Am I good to go? Okay, here we go, guys. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my God. That's so nice. And this is Jackson, and this is Austin. We're both here today, and I'm gonna go on the yellow slide. So fun. I know. Come on, hurry. So fun. Yellow slide. Yellow slide. And the yellow slide is right here. Now I'm the first.
Okay, you're good. I'm just cross like that.
Okay. Ready, set. Woo! Okay, we're down here. And the water slide's gonna drop again.
You did it! Good job!
That's it. It tickles my tummy.
Uh-huh.
He Jackson needs to get his own place.
There you go. Woo! You what? All right, that is it for us here at Six Flags Hurricane Harbor. We had a great day. We were here probably around noon-ish, and now it's just after 4, so 4 hours, and we did a lot of things. If you want to get a lot of rides done, I would suggest either to be here earlier, right when it opens, or later, right when it closes at 7 o'clock, because people are going to start leaving. Like us, we're starting to leave right now because it's starting to get windy and cold and stuff like that. So, but thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like this video if you love water parks, if you love Six Flags Hurricane Harbor, and make sure you subscribe. You can subscribe to me here on YouTube. Remember, it's free. You can also follow me along on Instagram and TikTok and Facebook. All right, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.